Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to find and replace anything in Microsoft Word document. So let's take a look how to do that. You can see I had a Microsoft Word document and you might be want to change some particular sentence or particular word to any other word or replace them, or you might be want to know how many words available in that particular Word document. For example, you can see I had here a Microsoft Word document which has 803 words. Now I want to replace something. For that, in home section right side you're going to find here find. First of all, I'm going to type here something to find out. Let me type here Bengali. So I'm going to type here VENGALI Bengali. You can see here is available total 5 words. If I go here, we're going to see in our total this document how many Bengali available. All this appear here. Now you might be want to replace this Bengali to any other word. For that, what you need to do, you need to click here this drop down menu and click here advanced find. After click over advanced find, you're going to find here these things. Here is the word before you had typed, which is a Bengali. And now if you decide to replace this word to something else, so you need to click this replace tab. After click over replace tab, in the down you're going to find here replace with. Let me make here like Bangladeshi. I'm going to type here BANGLADESHI, and instead of Bengali it will be appear Bangladeshi. You can replace by one or replace all. Let me make here replace one by one, and then let me make here replace all. So if I click replace all, this saying do you want to continue search from the beginning. We're going to click here yes, and then you can see it say all done. We made 4 replacement. Let me make here okay. Now in my whole Word document, if there is any Bengali, that Bengali replaced to Bangladeshi. So this is really quite interesting. Now let me share with you again. I want to change the Bangladesh to Bangladeshi. So what you have to do, again you need to go this find as button and then type here the things you want. Let me make here Bangladesh, and then here you can see in this Word document total 23 Bangladesh appear. Now if you decide to change this Bangladesh to any other, what you have to do, you can click this or either click this find section and click here advanced find, and then you're going to see again that things is appear here. You need to go in replace tab, and then the thing is this is find what it is Bangladesh, and this is the appears the previously things. We're going to just delete it, and now here if you want to change a replace with, let me make here Bangla. So just to example, so I type here Bangla and I want to replace all Bangladesh to Bangla. So I'm going to click here replace all, and you can see it's all done. We made 23 replacement. Let me make here okay. Let me close it. You can see in my whole entire document previously here it was Bangladesh, and here also some other places, all placed it completely change it to Bangla. This is really quite interesting. Also, one things more you can do in your Microsoft Word document with this find and replace tools. You can also unbold or underline any document if you have. For example, you can see this is my Word document and I had some sentence with bold and with underline. If you decide to replace all of them to regular word and also remove the underline, also you can do with this find and replace tool. what you have to do, you need to click this drop down menu and click here advanced find, and then you're going to find here this is skin. Go on replace tab and here find what, just delete these things and then click here more in the under more, and then you're going to find here something say replace. You can see here if you click this, you're going to see there's a many options. We're going to click here font. After click over font, we're going to see a skin appear just like this. Here we're going to choose our font style. For example, we're going to make find out the bold, and then also we're going to find out the underline, and then I'm going to make here okay, and the replace with, let me delete these things. This is always appear the previous history. Now if you want to this bold and underline with replace with without bold and without underline, so what you have to do again, this replace section, click here font, and then you're going to see a skin appear just like this. I would like to make it regular, and the underline style I want to make it none, and let me make here okay, and then let me make here replace all and make it okay. Now if you're going to see in this Word document, all that bold font is appear, change it to normal, and also all this underline sentence is changed it to without underline. So within this way you can easily make some helpful things with your Microsoft Word document in this find and replace tools. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.